Assalamu alaikum aspirants. This lecture combines key topics from ethics and Pakistani civics that are highly relevant for CSS, MPT and other competitive exams. So the questions cover principles of utilitarianism, deontological ethics, virtue ethics and concepts like non-maleficence and moral relativism. On the civic side, they address the role of judiciary federalism, election commission, constitutional articles and the powers devolved under the 18th Amendment. So, by practicing these questions, you strengthen both your ethical reasoning and your understanding of the Constitution of Pakistan. So 20 MCQs हम इस लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे और स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, विच बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स यूटिलिटेरियनिज्म इन एथिक्स, एक्टिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू यूनिवर्सल मॉरल वैल्यूज, आर मैक्सिमाइजिंग ओवरऑल हैप्पीनेस आर वेल बीइंग। सी ऑप्शन है, फॉलोइंग ड्यूटीज रिगार्डलेस ऑफ कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज आर प्रायोरिटाइजिंग पर्सनल वर्चू। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, मैक्सिमाइजिंग ओवरऑल हैप्पीनेस आर वेल बीइंग। Utilitarianism, developed by Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill, focuses on action that produce the greatest happiness for the most people. The next question देखते हैं, primary function of judiciary in democratic system, making laws, enforcing laws, interpreting laws or collecting taxes. तो इसका सही जवाब है interpreting laws. The judiciary in a democratic system interprets laws to ensure their correct application and constitutionality. So making laws is the legislature role, enforcing laws is executive and tax collection is an administrative function. Next question, moral actions are determined by their outcomes, adherence to rules or duties, the character of the action or social approval. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन है, सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, adherence to rules or duties. Deontological ethics, championed by Immanuel Kant, judges morality based on following rules or duties, regardless of consequences. So, outcomes are central to utilitarianism, while character matters in virtue ethics. Next question है, which article declare Islam is a state religion? Article 1, 2, Article 3 और 4. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, Article 2. Article 2 of Pakistan 1973 Constitution declares Islam as the state religion and reflecting the country cultural and legal framework. Next question, ethical concept of karma primarily associated with Christianity, Hinduism and Buddhism, Islam or Judaism. तो इसका सही जवाब है Hinduism and Buddhism. The karma, the principles of cause and effect in action, is a core concept in Hinduism and Buddhism, and it is not central to Christianity, Islam or Judaism. So karma influences ethical behavior in these faiths. Next question है, Chief Justice appointment. So who appoints Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Prime Minister, President, Speaker of National Assembly or Chief Election Commissioner? तो इसका सही जवाब है President. In Pakistan, the President appoints the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court as per constitutional provisions, and the Prime Minister, Speaker or Election Commissioner do not have this authority. So this appointment is crucial for judicial independence. Next question, Aristotle virtue ethics emphasizes consequences of actions, development of good character traits or strict adherence to laws or maximizing utility. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, development of good character traits. Aristotle virtue ethics emphasizes cultivating virtue like courage and wisdom for moral life. So it differs from consequentialism, which focuses on outcomes, or legalism, which prioritizes laws. The next question देखते हैं, Federalism in Pakistan government structure refers to unitary system, division of powers between federal and provisional governments, presidential system or parliamentary monarchy. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, division of powers between federal and provisional governments. Federalism in Pakistan involves sharing powers between federal and provisional governments. As outlined in the constitution, it is not a unitary system or monarchy. So this structure balances regional and national governance. Next question, which ethical theory links to the golden rule? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, reciprocity in various traditions including categorical imperative. The golden rule, treating others as you wish to be treated. So aligned with the reciprocity and Kant principle of universal moral laws, it differs from utilitarianism outcome and focus or egoism self-interest. So it's a universal ethical guidelines. The next question देखते हैं, provisional devolution, which powers was devolved to provinces? Defense, foreign affairs, education and health or currency. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ। द 18th अमेंडमेंट devolved education and health to Pakistan provinces and enhancing their autonomy. Next question. Ethical principles of non-maleficence means doing good to others, avoiding harm to others, telling the truth or being just. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, अवॉइडिंग हार्म टू अदर्स। Non-maleficence, a key ethical principle in fields like medicine, means avoiding harm to others, and it differs from beneficence, mean doing good or justice, and it guides ethical decision making to minimize negative impacts. Next question देखते हैं, role of election commission of Pakistan, formulating foreign policy, conducting free and fair elections, managing public finance or overseeing military operations. तो इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, कंडक्टिंग फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस। द इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान इंश्योर फ्री फेयर एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट इलेक्शन, सो इट डज नॉट हैंडल फॉरेन पॉलिसी, फाइनेंस और मिलिट्री ऑपरेशंस। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, नाउन फॉर सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, एरिस्टोटल, जॉन लॉक। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, जॉन लॉक। John Locke developed the social contract theory, suggesting governments derive authority from the consent of governed, and Aristotle focused on virtue. The next question देखते हैं, Article 19 guarantee. Article 19 of Pakistan Constitution guarantees freedom of speech and expression, right to education, equality before law और protection of property. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन ए, freedom of speech and expression. Article 19 of Pakistan Constitution guarantees freedom of speech and expression with certain restrictions, and other rights like education or equality are covered in different articles. So this right is essential for democracy. Next question. What is moral relativism in ethics? Universal moral truth exists. Morality is absolute. Moral judgments depend on cultural or individual context. Or ethics is based solely on religion. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, मॉरल जजमेंट्स डिपेंड ऑन कल्चरल और इंडिविजुअल कॉन्टेक्स्ट। Moral relativism holds that ethical standards vary by culture or individuals. Unlike absolute moral truth, it rejects universal ethics. Unlike religious or absolutist framework, so context shapes moral perspective in this view. The next question देखते हैं, in Pakistan parliamentary system, head of the government, president, prime minister, governor or chief minister. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, prime minister. In Pakistan parliamentary system, the prime minister is the head of the government and leading the executive branch. The president is the head of the state, while governors and chief ministers operate at the provisional level. The prime minister drives policy. Next question, the ethical dilemma primary test. Deontological versus constitutionality ethics, virtue ethics, care ethics और existential ethics. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, deontological versus constitutionalist ethics. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच शेड्यूल डील्स विद लेजिस्लेटिव लिस्ट? फर्स्ट शेड्यूल, सेकेंड शेड्यूल, थर्ड शेड्यूल और फोर्थ शेड्यूल? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी, फोर्थ शेड्यूल। The fourth schedule of Pakistan's 1973 constitution outlines legislative list, dividing powers between federal and provisional governments. Other schedules cover different aspects like oath or elections, so it defines legislative authority clearly. So next question देखते हैं, next question है, eudaimonia in ancient Greek ethics refers to pleasure, human flourishing or well-being, justice or courage. तो इसका सही जवाब है ह्यूमन फ्लोरिशिंग और वेल बीइंग, ठीक है, ऑप्शन बी। Eudaimonia in Aristotle ethics refers to a state of human flourishing achieved through virtuous living. It is not merely pleasure, justice or courage, but a holistic sense of well-being. So it's goal of ethical life. The next question है, fundamental right to life protected under Article A, Article 9, Article 10 और Article 11. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, Article 9. Article 9 of Pakistan Constitution protects the fundamental right to life and liberty, ensuring personal security. And other articles address different rights like safeguards against arrest, Article 10. So this article is foundational for human rights. So revise these MCQs carefully and connect each concept with real examples. Ethical theories train your analytical skills, while civics questions test your command of constitutional provisions and governance structure. So regular practice will improve your recall speed and accuracy in exams. Stay consistent with preparation and focus on understanding the logic behind each answer to build confidence for competitive exams.